Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're putting a bunny in a tub. We're going to get this galvanized flower pot, and just a heads up, everything in this video I have purchased from Dollar Tree. So this bunny, yes, from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to turn it around so that way it's facing forward, and I did my best. You'll see in a minute here how he ended up, but I'm going to go ahead and have him holding a carrot. So I'm going to add some hot glue and have him holding the carrot, and I did take out that little foam block. I thought I would need it, but the towel was kind of big, so I didn't end up using that floral block. So it kind of depends on the towel that you have. If it is a little smaller and if it's like a tiny little like hand towel, then you might need that foam block, so that way you don't have to put a lot of cotton balls. You'll see in a second. So I used this towel from Dollar Tree, and I believe this was like in the car items section, and this is like the microfiber one, but you get the idea. So I'm going to fold it, put it in place, and cover the bunny. Now I'm going to go ahead with cotton balls and cover the entire area as if it's like soap and bubbles. And we're going to add more items to this, but before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. I'll be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on my next project. Now, after I'm done adding the cotton balls, now it's time to add more colors to this. So I'm taking those clear ornaments that I have from Christmas time, and I'm going to take out the little hanging part, the metal part from it, and I'm just going to use them as bubbles there. And I'm going to go in with these glitter foam balls and place them on top just to give it a little pop of color. And this is it, we're done. This is how it looks. I'm going to place it on a tray just like so, and a tray is also from Dollar Tree, but that's how it's going to look in my bathroom. What do you guys think though? I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.